So you're gonna be placed on arrest right now.
Domestic matter. Domestic? I didn't. Dude.
Don't freak out.
Gemini, what the? Dude, I did not hit anybody. No, Gemini.
On April 14th, 2024, police were dispatched to a residence for a family dispute centered on the relocation of a young child. With no custody order in place, emotions escalated as both parties contested practical caregiving control. Body-worn camera footage captured the sequence from dialogue to arrest.
Hey, Kendra, do you want him taking Samaya? Kendra, do you want him taking Samaya? What's that?
Hello?
Yeah, do you want him taking Samaya?
No, I cannot.
Okay. Okay, can I speak with you about it? Because I would agree he's trying to take her up to Chicago. You guys aren't married. I don't know if he has, I don't know if he's can do that.
Sorry, I was just in the bathroom. But you said, yeah, we've already met.
What the fuck's going on? Why?
He is being belligerent because I went to my boyfriend's house.
I get that. I get that. I talked about that before.
Right.
Why are you not opening the door for me so I can speak with you about the situation?
I'm sorry. I was literally just on the phone with my sister telling her about the situation.
I was pounding on the door.
It's all the way in the back of the house. I'm so serious.
I could hear my pound from around the corner.
But
okay, I'm not gonna argue about Kendra. That was kind of stupid, and I know you heard me. So don't bullshit me because I'm not a bullshitter. Okay?
Okay.
If you think I'm a fucking bullshitter, then I'll walk away right now. So listen, you I don't think you want him taking her.
You're not. That's
okay.
My child.
So when did he get in town?
He got in town to babysit her when I go to work.
Okay.
So now he's saying that he's going to take her because he's making up all of these false allegations.
So has he been staying here for like a couple of days babysitting her while you're at work?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So do you guys have any kind of parenting agreement?
No. We have no type of court anything. Right. We just had a child together, and basically I said, like, you can basically come here and babysit when you feel like it. When I need to go to work. So when I need to pay my bills.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And when you guys got into it out here, I understand it was over the child.
It was over me getting my baby.
Exactly.
We didn't really get into it.
I 100% get that.
A conversation that he wanted to make heated, but I'm not the type of person to do that.
Well, like I said, I'm not a bullshitter. Okay. So he has video of his phone of you going at him and grabbing his hair and pulling him. I'm assuming
his hair and pulling him because I was trying to grab my child because he would not give me. I sat here for almost over 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes, maybe 15.
I get it.
10 or 15. Asking him for my child. I was just at my boyfriend's house and came all the way back because he said that he's leaving with my child.
Okay. So I get that.
He said to quit playing with him because I'm going to my boyfriend's house. We are not together. I am a single woman paying my bills by myself.
You shouldn't be having him in town then living at your place.
And my thing
I'm not, you make your own decisions. I get it. But you're opening yourself up for a can of worms. I'm not a counselor.
Which is why I'm not doing this.
But that's not smart. Yeah. Because then all of a sudden all of this happens.
Exactly.
And now he has the child in his arms.
Exactly.
And it gets complicated.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I understand the situation was, if I can recap earlier, right, when we were out here earlier, you were upset with, you came home from a barbecue. He was upset with you because you were like, I'm going to my boyfriend's house or whatever.
Exactly.
So he's upset at you.
Yeah.
How did the car seat get thrown?
He said that I threw a car seat. I threw no car seat.
Okay. Sounds good. Why'd you say, I'm going to kill you?
Why did I say that I'm going to kill you?
Because you were upset with him about about the baby.
He was doing a lot. And as a matter of fact, when I just said that I was leaving because I changed my clothes, I said, I'm leaving. He said, you know what? You're going to go play me. I was like, for what? What are you, because I'm going to over his house? Like, what is wrong with you?
Okay.
Something has really got to be wrong with you for you to really.
But you were also saying, I'm going to kill you if you don't give me my baby back or whatever, because you wanted your baby back.
That was just a hyperbole. I have no intention of killing anybody.
Okay, what exactly did you say, though?
What exactly did I say? Yes. I told him to give me my child back. I told him, give me my child back. Give me my child back over the course of multiple times. Over maybe a 10
You're skipping over the killing part.
Okay, and I might have threatened that randomly out of anger, but that is about it.
Well, that's exactly what I'm getting at. What did you say when you threatened out of anger?
That is it. What you exactly just said is what I said. Okay, you know what? You're gonna make me kill you. Like, give me my child back. But obviously, I would never do anything like that.
Okay.
I know the consequences of that.
Okay. And then you left. We arrived. Right? Then you came back and you guys got into an altercation.
He was sitting on my porch and I told him, you can just hand me my child and you can go. And he said, no, I'm not going to do that. And he was, I'm going to start courting you. So I was like, what are you doing all that for? Because I'm asking for my child.
Yes.
So, of course, he tried to provoke me again.
So you followed him out there and you reached...
to try to get my child. And he said, so I'm like, dude, are you serious? So I did kind of grab his hair, but he over-exaggerated. I didn't. You see the size of me. I did not pull that man to the ground and be like, I'm not going to do all that.
But he fell to the ground, or he put himself to the ground.
And he tried to say that I put his child in danger to obviously escalate to this point.
Okay.
So.
Okay. All right. Well, what I'm going to try and do is speak with him and figure out the whole baby situation, because
and I just told him, like, you're gonna make it to the point where they're gonna take my child.
It gets a little dicey because you guys aren't married. So technically, by Illinois state law, you have more rights than he does. Right. Okay, I'm just being frank with you and telling you the facts. I'm not a bullshitter, so I'm not gonna lie to you.
I would rather him give me my child.
That's what I would rather too.
He doesn't even have a place to stay.
That's what I'm gonna try and facilitate.
He has no car.
But I can't snatch the baby out of his hands.
That's understandable. I wouldn't want
I will try to have a conversation with him about that, because I don't feel like it's right for him to be threatening to take her up to Chicago or just leave up to Chicago.
Especially at 12 o'clock at night with a 1-year-old.
So I'm going to go chat with him. Right. Okay. When I knock on the door again, can you please not, ignore me? Okay. Because I'm trying to treat you decent. Okay. But I'm trying to help you out, but I need your help too.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Only thing is with the child, it's both of their children, and, he has been staying here for several days watching the child. So in my opinion, he has residency. He's allowed to stay if he wants to stay. Right. I can't necessarily stop him from taking a child and going up to Chicago, although I don't really agree with that, because I feel like...
And that's a custody issue, though.
It is.
I mean, they both are mutual parents, so it's like if there's a custody issue, they got to do that in court.
Correct. The one thing I'm wanting to do is talk with... The one thing I want to do is talk with her, see if there's a third party that like mom, somebody that will take the child.
Yeah.
If she's...
Because he said that he would give the child up and he'll leave.
Oh, he did say that?
Yeah.
Can I chat with him over?
Yeah.
Give me my child. That's it.
Give us 1 second. We're going to figure it out, okay?
Officers first spoke with the mother, confirming the dispute focused on whether the child would be taken out of state and who had practical custody that night. Accounts diverged. The father alleged hair pulling and had video. The mother said any contact was to retrieve the child and that the claim was exaggerated. Threatening language was referenced. The mother said it was a heat-of-the-moment statement with no intent to act. Officers noted the complications of no court order between unmarried parents and sought a third-party caregiver as a de-escalation option. The conflict then reignited at the doorway, and police arrested the mother on domestic battery and resisting charges.
All right. So you're going to be placed on arrest right now.
Huh?
Bad.
Domestic? I didn't.
Don't
Dude, Gemini, what the fuck? Dude, I did not hit anybody. Bro, Gemini, what the fuck? Gemini, bro.
Knock it off.
Bro.
Stop resisting.
Bro, stop. What the Gemini, stop. Bro.
Stop.
Dude, what the hell?
Stop it.
Bro.
Stop it.
Bro. Gemini, what the?
Told them not to.
Dude!
Stop it.
What the hell? Why would you got
witness to see what you did?
Gemini, bro? Literally, Gemini, what the?
What's that for?
Bro, oh my God.
I told them not to.
Gemini, what is wrong with you? Guys, I swear I did not. Dude, I did not. Gemini, what the hell?
Okay.
What the hell? I didn't do anything. What is wrong with you? Oh my God, dude. Can y'all just please?
I gotta turn this up a little bit.
After y'all arrest her, could y'all please lift her up?
Yes.
We will.
We will. We would rather have not done this.
He got a breathing problem.
God, please. Please let me go. Guys, I have another child. Please. I have another child in the house.
Okay. We're gonna make sure everyone stays safe. Okay. I gotta make sure these aren't enough because
No, I'm
she's
fine.
screwing
I'm
over.
fine.
Stop
I'm fine.
scratching me.
I'm not scratching
Okay.
you.
Yes, you are.
Gemini, do you see what you just did?
No,
For no reason.
No, you did it.
No, I did not do this. I was in the house. They just fine. I went to my boyfriend's house. I went to a barbecue.
We're walking this way.
Can I get my shoes, please?
I'll get them for you.
Bro, can I get my shoes and my watch?
No.
Gemini, bro.
We're gonna go to
Are
your
you
car.
serious?
If you're okay with that. Your car. Okay. We'll fix it. Go ahead.
Oh, wait for
Hang on.
me.
Yeah, let's not do that. Okay. Oh, yes. Fine.
Domestic battery for what?
We gotta make sure you don't got anything on you.
Domestic battery for what?
Do you know what domestic battery is?
For what? What am I getting arrested for a domestic battery for?
Do you have any? Are you good?
I'm asking a question. I'm fine, guys. I have nothing on me. I was in my house.
Make sure. Listen, we're gonna sit in my car and I'm gonna explain something to you, okay? Go ahead and have a seat.
Sit down.
What was your first name?
Kendra.
Listen, Marshall, okay? Domestic battery, unwanted physical contact, right? That's
I didn't have unwanted physical contact with him.
Listen to me.
God, he's nothing. He's homeless. I'm the one that rents the house out.
Will you listen to me, Kendra?
Guys,
listen to me real quick. You admitted that you pulled his hair, right?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I said I touched his head. I did not pull his hair. I literally touched his head. He threw himself to the ground. He's lying to you guys.
Oh,
This is why I'm so upset now. He's literally lying, guys, so he can have my child. And you guys fell for it.
No, based off of what we have, that's what we have to do, man. So, sit tight, we'll grab your stuff. Sit tight and we'll grab your stuff. I got your shoes from here, okay? Come swing your feet out for me.
Y'all gonna need to take me to the hospital.
For what?
I'm so serious, y'all.
Okay, swing your feet out here for me.
I'm about to have a whole mental breakdown.
Okay.
I'm so serious. Please take me to the hospital, y'all.
Swing your feet out for me. All you're gonna do is make things worse.
I'm not trying to make shit worse.
Okay, so just swing your feet out so we can get this process done. I need them handcuffs off here. We're gonna walk right over to this door over here. I'm walking up here for me. When we get in here, just sit on the bench on the left.
I'll take me to the hospital.
For what? You need to talk to somebody?
I need a psych evaluation.
Okay, I'll let the jail staff know.
This is too much.
Come on in here, sit on the bench. Have a seat and I'll try to get this done so they can get you in and out, okay? Hey.
I don't want to be here. I do not. Send me to the hospital, bro. Send me to the hospital. Please send me to the hospital. I do not want to be here. Please send me to the hospital. I need a psych evaluation ASAP. Immediately. Please.
This case highlights how, without formal custody arrangements, routine caregiving disputes can quickly become law enforcement matters. Key issues remain for courts and evidence review. The nature of the physical contact, the context and intent behind the threats, and each party's consideration of the child's best interests. In similar situations, a safer path is to secure temporary or long-term orders through legal channels and use neutral third parties during transitions. How would you have handled the decisions that night?